Good morning. Happy Thursday. This is so weird. Okay, so I am vlogging from my camera. If you cannot tell from the quality. Oh girl, that's a lot of sun. Okay, I don't know how to adjust this. Okay, I'm vlogging from my camera because your girl finally got batteries, working batteries that fit the camera. Okay, so I'm up, sorta. I will be more up once I get caffeine. I'm not gonna get too well, mine's just kind of strong, but I'm getting that. I'm going to Caribou actually, and yeah, but I'm also gonna go to Kroger real quick because I need paper towels and some hand soap. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna do a reel on my phone for Caribou since I can do that now and vlog at the same time. Hold on. Hello? This is she. Oh yes, yeah, this is me. Okay. Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's March 12th, 97. Say specifically a brother.
Yes, you did. I remember that. You did. You wanted a brother. I don't know when you said that.
I think I said, am I gonna have a brother?
Yeah, I said, but you said I want a brother, but you want a sibling. You want a little brother.
Not like this, but I guess.
It's twisted, I think she was able to have kids. They told her she couldn't have nothing wrong with that fibroid she had on her uterus. But as long as you're in a place where you can take care of it, I have my first grandkid, I'll be alright.
Like, say I was having it like soon.
It's cold up there today. You know my nerves bad right now.
I'm just asking.
Yeah, I mean, it'll throw me off, but I wouldn't be upset. I mean, my day, I'm proud to say that you waited this long. Hey, I went for 21 when I had you, so. When I got your mom pregnant with me, so. With you, so. I would like for you to be your mom age, but I know that ain't going to be all possible. But you did good. You always say you done good.
Well, like I'm a whole adult now.
Huh?
Like I'm a whole adult now.
Yeah, you a whole adult. I'm very proud of you. You hold it down.
Like I think I did pretty good.
You did good. You did good. You better keep talking in the future kiss, though.
Huh?
You better keep talking in the future kiss, though, I tell you that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Was just curious.
Well, have you asked your mom that similar question?
Okay, I don't know if y'all can see me, but I got my Caribou and I'm about to go back home, but I got this chicken chorizo burrito, too good, and my iced matcha with oat milk, vanilla. iced matcha vanilla latte with oat milk. And yeah, so we're gonna head home and eat and work. My boss actually called me while I was driving. I was like, sorry for the background. Also, I'm on the way to get coffee, which I am. Well, not coffee, but matcha. So, yes, it's 9:18. So I don't know if they want to meet or not. I got an email back. I don't know if they want to meet or not at 11. But anywho, yes. Hey y'all. Okay, so I am back home and I ate my breakfast. It's several hours later. I've been working and now I'm hungry, but I wanted to get into this little organizer thing. So I actually ordered some organizers on Amazon and I will link it. I'm trying to get my Amazon storefront, so when that is up, I'm gonna link it so y'all can see what's tea. So funny story. I ordered a couple things off Amazon and it didn't come the day that it was coming. Like the person tried to deliver it, but I guess the leasing office was closed at the time and they couldn't deliver it. And I was like, okay. I tried to let them know I can come get it myself, but nobody replied. Yada yada yada. So I hit up Amazon, basically tells them, hey, I would like a replacement, and now I have another set on the way. So I would probably use those other organizers for my cabinets. But for now, we're gonna organize my fridge. So please hold. Okay, so I got these fridge organizers right here. And if you're tuning in, thanks for tuning in, y'all. I don't know if I did this already, but thanks for joining. Hit that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. This is just another vlog. This weekend's probably gonna be a little different because my PB's in town. So they're from, I can't say this, but these are the organizers I got. I'll link you. Got some egg trays. Watching Vampire Diaries in the bedroom. This is the tops of the containers. I got 8 containers. I don't know what's gonna go with all of them just yet. And I'm kind of glad that I got some free ones on the way. So I can see how I want to organize it. And then this is gonna be for my sodas, or well, not really sodas. So I don't drink sodas that too much, but I did take some sodas from my mama's house when I was there. Cause you know you gotta leave with a grocery bag when you leave your mama's house. Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all my fridge right now. Not too much on her, okay? So this is what's in the fridge right now. I got milks. This need to be thrown away because it got frozen somehow. I don't know. Lollipops, some sodas in the bag, applesauce, my meal prep, and vegetables and some sparkling water down there, eggs, food I took from Starbucks. And then all my condiments. Some of these low-key though, a lot of these condiments I need to go through. So let's just get started. Okay. So this is gonna be for our cans. I'm gonna actually clean out the fridge, like clean it out, and then I don't know how I should do this, y'all. I've never tried to be more organized in my life. Now, these ones you can slide out. I don't know. Let's just start with taking everything out of the fridge.
Whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes, I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect, all of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect, I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seem like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to high. Hey. 4L13, stepping on shit to this pride. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace of Frank. Heard. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Do it. Breaking and bending the spines. Do it. I hate a privileged rapper that they had to hit 60 times. Do it. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, we go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Pussy. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? What? Texting emojis, tongue out, eggplant bustin' went over her head. Catch him outside of the studio, make him repeat what he said. Pussy. Yeah. Yeah, let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my dick with a bra. Snipe his ass, he got hit in the head for fraud. Ops get undivided attention, I give them my all. How you come over the spot when you know it's your time of the month? How? Make a distance, see how fast you go from the boot to a blunt. Listen, she say she hungry, I gave her dick for brunch. Send me my whole fleet, I don't do back ends and fronts.
No, no, no. Let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace of Frank. Heard. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Do it. Breaking and bending the spines. Do it. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had to hit 60 times. Do it. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time. Yeah.
Okay, hey y'all. I don't remember the last thing I vlogged. I ain't gonna lie. I don't remember. Yeah, I don't remember. It's Friday now though, and I have had a long day. I worked both my jobs, got in trouble with my main job, and yeah, now we're here. So I'm on the way to the airport to pick up my PB. So that's why I'm checking in now. But I will check back. Why is this car going so slow on the highway? But yeah, I'm on the way to pick my PB up, and then when I pick him up, I will get back with you guys. I just wanted to do a little check-in. I'm home. Deshaun is here, but he don't want to be on camera. Right? You don't give me consent? Why?
No means no.
No, okay. We just got JJ's. It's dark. Oh no. Oh no. Why are you watching? I'm looking for light. I still don't know what light. Okay. You don't want to be on camera.
Isn't it crazy how I gravitated back to this spot? No,
Ain't that where you were last time?
This is what feels.
Wait, I gotta do like me on TikTok. Oh my. Nah, these chickens got. I ain't wash my hands, but look at it. And look at the fish. A lot, but that's it. Go to JJ's Fish. I don't even know what it tastes like yet, but I know it's gonna taste good because I smell it and it look good. They shine you good. You gonna let me show you? Okay. My PB shy. He's shy right now. That's all. He gonna warm up by the weekend. It's okay. That's okay. You heard the foot. Good morning. Are you gonna be on camera now? No. Okay. Well, Deshaun is still here, people. He just don't want to show his shoulder. There's no lighting. We're going to go eat, but I don't know where because I had to choose, and I thought he was choosing. I'm sorry. I'm gonna let them, depending on. Well, you ain't say what kind of food you want, like breakfast or lunch or what's the vibe? Baby, are you coming for a ride? I just wanna look into your eyes. He's not saying anything, so. I know I'm talking to them and you, so I know where we eating. Where we about to eat at? So we came to 2 apartments for a tour, but they're both on lunch break, so time to eat. Where? I don't know, but where the other line at? I don't think they in a spot. I don't think we in a spot either. We just parked in between. Sorry.
Okay. So, if you want to play, so plan on maybe, if you want.
Okay, so we made it to Patty B's, and I ordered some wings. I can't vlog around this time. I ordered some wings, mac and cheese, pimento mac and cheese, baked beans, and a waffle. And a tea lemonade. And they tried wings. What flavor you get? Huh? Yeah, the spice. What was it? I got hot. And I got their house sauce or whatever. He got southern, so no spice. Double fries and fries and what the hell? Oh, fries and a waffle. I think it's Belgian waffle. I don't remember having this. I feel like if I had it, I'd got it delivered. I don't think so either. I think I got it delivered to like DoorDash. I got the lemonade. But I'll get that, man. He is here. He looked at my camera. Which fries better? These fries or the one from last night? Which one better? It's my food. My waffle on the way, but they'll get it on their time. So I got baked beans and mac and cheese and the chicken. Come on, pickles. I love pickles. More bread. That's how you know. They got the white bread. Sorry. Sorry. Guess what? I'ma eat it. Put a little sauce on it, cool it down a little bit. Put a little sauce on it on the fries. I'm gonna keep eating. Yo, we going on the soap tour at one of these places, and why we get lost as soon as she let us go? She opened the door and we like, oh no. Yeah, you said no. They try to say I could. What'd you say? Do it with your eyes closed.
What you do with my eyes closed?
As soon as she left, I was like, I don't know what door we go to. Okay, pour it here. Let's see the pool. Oh, there's people out here. Oh, this is nice. Ooh, it's
When we come back,
what a pump.
we'll go to the sixth floor to see the rooftop. Yeah.
Okay, this made me feel like I'm on vacation. We are, cause they showers moving to Atlanta, yay! Oh, this is cute. It lights up. We are an internal, and then there's the garage right there. Oh, good gosh. Okay, I'm gonna get back when we get there. Oh, there's the garage. And the pool's over there. Really? I hear music. Okay, here's apartment 510.
Bless up. Bless up.
Ooh, it's open.
Bless
Ooh.
up. Bless up. Bless up. Bless up. Bless up. Bless up. Soon as I wake up in the morning, I see dollar signs. It's the only thing that's on my mind. Other than you can't broke me. All these poor faces on me, I feel like Chucky. Can't even pay my clothes on me. Really, if I leave the house, I can't say when I'm coming back. Ain't no sentiments, I just walked out and blew some grass. You can smoke what you want, bro, just crash some pack. Look at this bitch all over me. Look at my wrist all full. Look at my shirt from overseas. That'll make me no hoe. That'll make me more hopeful. Everywhere you go, they know me. Can't be anti-social. I can't sleep sometimes.
It's crazy.
Some money. Roll that bitch on fire. Say you only be without me. She would be, she done. She would be, she fine.
Look at this.
Excuse me if I'm late. I mean, you see
Look
me
at Midtown. I think that's Midtown and that's Buckhead. I forgot which one she said was what. This is a room. This is like people. This closet. Ooh. The things that could happen in this closet. And that double six. I mean, not like that. Not like that. Oh, sorry. I meant like. Their bathtub is like, this is crazy. That is crazy.
No, this is, hey, did you see the bedroom?
Yeah.
Has the same type of room.
Yeah, that's good.
I know, what was it?
Oh, it's right there. Trash. This generation sucks. No, oh, this is giving bougie, like reserved. Look. Oh, we can't get in it? Oh. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. This view is wow. Wait, if I walk out here, am I gonna get back in? Oh, they cooking. Oh, this view. This view. Yeah. I thought I told you that.
Where's your best start?
No. The one I'm at already busy. What's the thoughts? What's the thoughts, Deshaun? All right. Okay. Trash. Oh, okay. So there's a gate there. Watch my favorites. Wait, is that look at over there. Jenna, look at this Jenna. The content that could be contenting in here. Yo. Oh heck, man, yeah, I could. Yeah, this gym is gymming.
I like that.
I just want to see. I got this. Like this. No. Put it around your baby. No. Look, you do this with it right.
In the shade. Still recording. See?
Oh.
This is too
Okay, let me do it.
too thin.
I don't feel right here.
So make sure you edit that out. Keep going. You grabbing too far up. Right here. Bend your legs. Cross them in the back. Pull them up. Yeah, and go down. Like that, but go down. And then,
Hey everyone, we are back from the day. We've been out all day. All day. Okay. The lighting is not the finest. We went to Juice Heads, Atlanta. They Sean can't get this open, but I have one of their coconuts. Their coconut water. And I'm pretty sure it's my first time having actually coconut water. I've had coconut milk. And that's good. But I have not had coconut water. We've got acai bowls. This is mine. You get it open?
Mm-hmm. You get a tear the perforated thing first. Gotta take a peek.
This part.
Yeah, that should. Finally figured out.
My coconut water. Got coconut. Oh, you got it.
Then you should bust that.
What's that acai in? How you open it?
Bust it open.
I'm trying. Oh. Wait, yours got mangoes?
Yeah.
Oh.
You're
Yeah.
just gonna go crazy.
Huh?
You're just gonna go crazy. You gotta make
Absolutely. Ooh, that looks sexy. Okay, do a bite on here. I'm not even a mango or a banana girly, but I feel very healthy. Right. So normal. So I think there's some hemp seeds in here, strawberry, banana, blueberry, coconut, root shavings, some nuts, I think. I don't know. But what's good. So for the rest of the day, we are going to chill for a little bit, and then linking up with Christy and Jamara because we're going to this underground or this block party at the underground. That'll be the rest of the night. But I'll probably get all that on my phone if I upload any of that. So yeah, I will check back when we're doing that. Hey, full circle, Jamira. We're just gonna do this again on my camera. Hey, Christy. I ain't got no lighting.
How'd I say I look like a monster?
What? A monster? What?
Monster.
A monster?
With her lighting.
My lighting is trash, bruh, and it's still short.
Change your settings though?
Yeah.
Why is it like mine about to go?
I'm gonna do it like this here. There we go.
I wish yours went down. A lot of I went somewhere and they had the same bar stools as me.
Y'all wanna play that game? Hey, Sean, you wanna play a game? I don't know. Y'all wanna play a game?
That drinking game.
Which game?
That card game that you had.
That's fine.
It's in the black box, I think.
Can I sit beside you, ma'am?
Yeah.
This pretty lady.
Yeah, I said a black box.
Okay, I'm gonna move this out the way. Move out.
Oh, I
Who going to class? What? In the middle?
No.
Oh, the texture?
Tweet. Okay. I thought she was trying to feel your boobs. So like,
I mean, that feels off too, but that's why.
that's how I was like, she looking at your boob. You feel her boobs. I was like, dang, I'm like,
It's a little hurts.
I need to. Something about the I'm gonna use this.
Yes, ma'am.
You do.
I was gonna say, you said criminal.
Cause you're not drinking. That's okay.
Why you not drinking?
You got to drink.
Went to the see all that time.
It's okay. I didn't drink until I met them my junior year. I was untainted.
Souls already. Souls.
I didn't do anything.
No, I low key though. When ooh,
They're supposed to light up, but I don't know if they still light up. They did on the boat at the time.
this was you.
But that, oh sure. It was just extras. I was letting y'all choose. Either one. Don't
I
matter.
know you don't take shots. I'll leave you some room for a juice.
Okay, who's first?
I don't know.
I don't know how to play that.
You just pick a card to answer that question.
Okay.
What happened to the music? What you playing the music?
That's what I was trying to tell you, that I was disconnected.
Oh, my bad. All right, I'll connect. My bad. My bad.
Drink if you've thrown a party at your house without your parents knowing.
I can't do that. I'm gonna drink, but I ain't doing.
Where is that? Which way we want to live? All
Y'all
right.
gonna be drinking a lot, right? Because y'all just gonna keep flipping these
Take a
cards.
shot.
Sip.
Drink if you think Christmas is overrated.
That's like saying drink if you're not Christian.
What?
Oh, I don't know why. Weren't you last time they said it was overrated?
Okay.
No, baby.
Everybody? Oh.
If you suck your thumb as a child, suck down some drink. I don't know how that sounds. Suck down some drink now.
Suck it down. No, thank you.
You drinking?
I never seen
Oh, well, you want some juice? You want some water? You want what you want? I do.
hate. It makes me want to be on a yacht. Shaking my butt.
Yes.
Oh, what?
A yacht.
Oh.
Did I say that wrong?
Nah, I heard something else.
Yes. My contraption.
My turn? Why is it
Yes.
good?
I don't know.
Oh, whatever one you want to pull from.
Oh no, something happened to my brain.
If you know the last name of every other player, you get to give out 3 drinks. I don't know my last name.
I do.
You don't know my last name.
You gotta know. It said if you. Then it say you gotta know the last name. You don't know my last name.
Oh, true. Yeah, dude. I told you I'm really good with names. You tell me once, I'm gonna remember.
I gotta have a conversation with somebody to remember the name.
I've had conversations with you.
I know. I don't really hear my last name anymore since I'm on Earth.
Your last name is like for a lawyer.
It's a very strong name. It's a strong name. It's a strong name. No, I ain't watched that. That's cool. But I watched that. I was like, oh no. Disney. Oh, it's your turn.
That's my
I'm gonna turn you off. Every word. You can get close. Cool. Look, I'm shouting.
Everybody guess my phone's battery percentage.
100.
The person that's closest picks someone else's drink.
Your phone battery percentage? 60. 87. She didn't guess. She guessed.
90.
Ah.
You won.
Oh, so everybody picked a shot.
I said 100.
It's everybody else.
Oh, you pick somebody.
Wait, what's the percentage? Oh, I picked someone.
You got the closest, so you pick.
Bree, because I just watched her take that shot. Oh.
But that's why I love my. All right, friend. He's still recording.
Okay. Drink if you still follow your ex on Instagram. Drink twice if you like their last.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
There's nothing else to see.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass. Good. Are you focusing? Are you cracked?
But he's mute on everything.
But when was the last time you liked his post?
Oh, I like shit. Ain't nothing to like.
Are you
But you're still
cracked?
following him, so you gotta take a sip.
Well, friends, we're about to head out. This is what we're on tonight, guys. This is what we're on. We're on the Lobos, the LeBron James.
Let me tell everybody the shit.
I was about to take a picture.
Like, y'all, this shit nasty.
LeBron. Oh, damn, that's not what I was gonna do. LeBron James. The Uber or Lyft is 3 minutes old.
Disgusting. Get a good picture now.
Oh, here it is. Lobos, baby. To kill you. Yeah. Turn me up, Chrissy.
He giving out Birkin bags.
I know. I know. And I ain't gonna lie. I have a whole outfit planned for a concert I don't have a ticket to. Make it make sense.
Who giving out Birkins?
Drake at his concert.
Not a Birkin fan, but I do love nails.
Look, I love anything free.
She's 3 minutes away.
TPYL.
3 minutes away.
I'm gonna vlog on my camera. On my
Hey.
Hey. Cheers. Ting ting ting. Oh, I ain't gonna show her this. Ma, she about to choke on her drink, child.
Disgusting.
Man,
Bro, you need to finish the book. I'm ready.
I'm saying.
I know. Y'all,
I don't even be drinking.
we never made it to. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, so somehow we made it to Metro Diner. Last time I had this phone up or a vlog, a camera up, was at the house.
I was gonna say last time you been here, I was like, you don't tell me you been here.
I have been here. I realized I've been here.
When you came
We came for AK side like years back, and I didn't even remember it. And I was drunk.
Last time
I was drunk.
it was on my birthday, my 24th birthday, and they had karaoke.
We never made it inside. I want y'all to know that we weren't making it inside. That line was, first of all, because I told this on Christy's vlog. Y'all subscribe, period. But we were getting the old crew, and Christy. I think she was trying to warm up too, but we didn't have that much time. We had it. It was 2. It was a 3-minute drive. We're trying to get her mean. And he owns Airbnbs. He owned Airbnb. Ooh, I like that. Ooh. I'm Amazon storefront. Go on Amazon storefront. Hi guys.
Anyways, he was cute. But
I ain't seen
they made the block hot.
We say Jamira.
And, what's
The liquor made the blood hot.
That cleared my stomach up.
made the block hot.
Your stomach feel any better?
Yeah, I did like
But
sitting for
husband, if you out there,
You're the head of the table.
Teddy / Devontae, owner of Airbnbs.
Which I prefer, warm or cool?
I love blue.
I like it. Don't
I like
matter.
warm or in between. Yeah. So that's all I'm gonna say. We're at Metro Diner. Got that shine. We're at Metro Diner. I just wanted to pick it up and say that I was.
My bad.
No, you're good.
Yeah, street light.
I'm surprised my stories is not for that right now, so I'm just gonna be quiet. But we're at Metro Diner. Realizing, oh yes, I'm realizing this is my second time being here. I ain't been here. Oh, they got catfish. I already know what one. They got fried catfish. Hold on.
Turn to my baby. I told another brother, shout out to your lady. I let it ride when I ride in Mercedes. And I ain't tripping on like it's shady. Cause baby, I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you can show me in a special.